Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make a cute little shoes for a baby girl. I am using 2.5 mm needle and a thread. So start. First of all, I will chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now in the second one, make half double crochet and make half double crochet in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times half double crochet. In every chain, make half double crochet. Now I finished my 8 half double crochet. In the last chain, I will make 5 half double crochet. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now make a half double crochet into 8 stitches. Now in the last chain, this one, I will make 4 half double crochet. 1, 2 and 3 and last 4. Now make a slip stitch in the second one. This is my first round. Now chain 1. In the next stitch, make single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet. 3, 4 and 5. Now make half double crochet. Now make 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make 2 double crochet in 5 stitches. 2, 2 double crochet, twice double crochet into 5 stitches. Now I finished my 10 stitches here. Now I will make 4 2, 3 and 4. Now 1 half double crochet and 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I have 1, 2 single crochet. No, I'll make 4 single crochet and make 2 times single crochet in 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3 and make a slip stitch in the first stitch chain. Now this is my second round. Now make 2 single crochet and make 1 double crochet into the next stitch and make double crochet for 1, 2, 3, 3 4 5 6 7 8 times. Now make 2 times double crochet in 10 stitches. 1 2 3. So make double double crochet for 2 times in 10 stitches. Now I completed my stitches over here. So now double crochet into next, excuse me, 1 2 3 now I made 10 half double crochet and I have 1 2 3 4 5 stitches, so I will do my 11 stitches, and I have 5, so I will do 2 double crochet in each stitch for 5 times. This is my second time. Now make a slip stitch in the third one. Now this is my shoe sole is ready. I will start the upper part of the shoe. Now I am making my upper part. This is the middle of back side. So make in the front stitch back post. Make, it is little bit tricky. Again in the next my thread is little bit thicker. Now this one is my third, so make it all over till to the end. See, this one and go to the other next. Make double crochet again, this one and the next back post, and make double crochet. So do it till all over till to this end. Now chain 3 and make back post of the double crochet. Now to the next make double crochet in the stitch. Again this one is the back post and the next stitch is this one, so make double crochet here, back post, next stitch, back post, next stitch. So make it till to this end all over. Now I made all over the design. Now I will make decreases. So chain 3, 1 2 and 3 and make back post like before and in the stitch. So do it in 12 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12, like this. Now make one more time. 11 12 13. Now make decrease. So I will make front post and skip the next and make again front post, skip the next stitch and make front post, again skip, again now I decrease for 10 times. Now I will start my next front post and in the next stitch front post into the next stitch. So make it till to the end. Now I made my shoe. Now I will do the strap. I will make strap. This is the front, so I will count 6. 1 2 3 4 5. This is my 6th one. So I will join and make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. Now 1 2 3 4 in the 5th I will make half double crochet. So this will be my buttonhole and make half double crochet till to the end of this line. Now I am here to my end. Now make slip stitch in the third stitch. So I will cut the yarn and make it tight. If you wanna stitch, it's up to you. Cut the extra. Now this is my cute little shoe for a baby. Put a button over here and make cute little flowers over here or a bow or anything you want to. So this is my cute little shoe. I hope you will like it. We will see you in next tutorial inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.